Disconnect the power. Turn off the toilet angle valve. Lift the toilet lid and seat. Pull up firmly to remove the toilet seat lid assembly. Disconnect the clean water hose. Disconnect all connection cables one by one. Remove the toilet seat lid assembly and place it separately. Prepare the tools listed above. Now demonstrate how to replace the toilet seat. First, open the toilet lid. The fixing screws are located under these two decorative covers, so you need to pry up them first. Prying up can easily damage the decorative cover, so we place a piece of foam at the pivot to protect the cover. Then insert a flathead screwdriver into the gap and pry outward. Remove the decorative cover. Follow the same procedure for the decorative cover on the other side. After removing the decorative covers, unscrew the fixing screws on top. Repeat the operation for all 4 screws. Then, you can remove the entire toilet lid. Take the new toilet lid and align it with the pivot. When removing the pivot, it should be at the maximum open angle. For installation, ensure it is also at the maximum open angle. Insert the new lid back into its original position and tighten the 4 fixing screws. Reattach the 2 decorative covers and stick them back in place. Then, try closing the lid to check for any resistance. If there are no issues, reinstall the toilet seat lid assembly back onto the ceramic toilet bowl. Connect the battery cable. Connect the diverter valve cable. Make sure the arrows on the cables match. Connect the kick control cable. Connect the pump cable. Reconnect the clean water hose. Finally, reinstall the toilet seat lid assembly.